They look at Bitcoin, all right, this thing is looking super, super strong. All right, had to break out of this bull flag up here, and looks like it's retesting as support. All right, so if we zoom in here a little bit, let's go into the daily actually on this thing and get a look here. Okay, well, we have the Fibonacci on here for the retrace up to that 48,000 bucks. You know, that's what honestly, me personally, that's what I'm looking for, a retrace in the market and the bull run to start next year. So we'll see what happens. Who knows? Maybe Bitcoin's heading for an all-time high, but my bet's on a retrace here, just like back in 2017 to 2019 back here. You can see, let's zoom in down here. Bitcoin came in back here in 2017 with the high. 2019 it did a retrace. Let me show you real quick and just throw it on there. I'm not going to be exact with this thing. I'm going to move it down here. Can't extend it that far down there. But you can see it came back, did a retrace to the 702. Then we fell down, went sideways for a while. Then the bull run started. Where it really was like it's, you know, right there, September, October. That's when you really started noticing things moving. Okay, so the Bitcoin halving was in April or whatever. We had that COVID crash right there. I remember that big time. Me personally, you know, just I don't want to talk about me, but that's when I got into crypto, right around there. Seen it, discovered it, fell in love with it. So that's what my intentions are, is a retrace, and then here, and then a bull run next year. So regardless, it's good news no matter what. Okay, if we have a bull run next year, it gives you more time to accumulate, and if we have a retracement here, it gives you a chance to get out at the 702, and then you know, after Bitcoin, if it does this, after it comes back down, it gives you a chance to accumulate more coins, you know, go sideways, and then next fall, boom. You know, that's what my bet's on. We'll see what happens. In the short term, let's zoom in here, okay, on the daily. If you could, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that so much, guys. Love doing these videos. I love you people out there. You've got a lot of great people in the world, you know, very nice comments, and I appreciate them. Okay, but let's pull these RSIs up. You can see that, look at that, the 12 hours at the bottom. As far as a pullback on Bitcoin, it hasn't really done anything. You know, you'd be looking for a 618, and this thing isn't even coming close to pulling back. You know, that's the strength that's showing up there. There we go. Normally you'd get a pullback to the pocket right here, 618. Nope, that thing had that bull flag to break out, and showing no signs of coming down here. So, but if it did, you know, it'd be come down to that 27,950 area. That would be the 618. So, but we got the 12-hour RSI reset. The daily is coming down. Okay, the 8-hour, that's resetting. The 4-hour, it's almost reset. And if I could, guys, I'm going to bring this up real quick. There's a link for MEXC in the video description. About a month ago, they sent me an email. I checked them out for 3 weeks. I signed up with them, and pretty cool site. You know, you can do futures contracts and stuff there. But before you do stuff like that, please just do your homework. But they got some pretty cool stuff over there. You can sign up and copy traders, you know, and every time they place a trade, the thing places a trade with them automatically when you follow them, and of course they get a small percentage for the wins, so it's a big thing for them. You know, 100% 7-day win rate, 80, 100. You can sort them out with this thing up here, 7-day P&L, and you can do your own thing too. Look at this guy, 40 grand, 7-day. 7-day win rate, you know, 100%. You go through all of it there. If you want, check it out. I would appreciate it. If you do sign up, please use a link to the channel. Helps me out. So let's get back here to Bitcoin. We got the 4-hour almost reset, okay, and we have the 1-hour is reset, okay. So this thing could go sideways in here for a little bit, chop around. Look at this weekly though. That thing is beautiful. 63 and a 43 on the weekly. So that is looking extremely good. And we also have the monthly. It's heading up and bullish. So Bitcoin looks great. At any time, I would expect this thing to. We got that 12-hour on the floor. You know, you never know with this thing. It could just bounce right out of here. Got a really nice bounce off that support. Look at that. If we zoom in here. Beautiful bounce off of it, showing a lot of strength here. Okay, has another support line right through there it's using. I'll show you. You can see it right through here. Okay, it's using that. A lot of support through this area, tons of it. You know, if we zoom out to the daily, lots in here. Look at that, bounced right off that one. You got a good one right there. All through here is support, so I'm not really expecting it to come down to no 618. I think it's going to play around up here. Already you kind of got these, look at that daily, kind of got that, the orange line is kind of wanting to spin up, and the blue, you know, get that blue to pop up and cross. That 31,500 bucks, that's the area. Keep an eye on it. We break it, it's going to get really exciting really fast. So, alright guys, thank you very much. Right now Bitcoin looks fine, looks strong, waiting for the next move. So everybody have a great night. Thank you so much for watching my video.